Hola amigos, yo soy Nati y bienvenidos a mi canal. I'm Nati and welcome to my channel. So as promised, we are going to go with Avery to her first day of school. We're going to see what classes she's taking, we're going to see what recess looks like and all of that. But don't worry because baby school is a lot shorter and more simple than regular school. Oh really? We're going to learn a whole bunch of new Spanish vocabulary along the way, so make sure you turn your listening ears on and let's go! Today we're going to talk about each school subject. Subject in Spanish is materia. Materia. Let's see which materia she has first. Her first class is math. Math in Spanish is matemáticas. Do you remember how to count in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4 y 5. Muy bien, matemáticas. Her next class is history. History in Spanish is historia. Historia. Today, in our history class, we're going to learn about the Aztecs. The Aztecs lived in Mexico a long, long time ago, and they built really cool pyramids. Of course, Avery has to take a Spanish class. Spanish in Spanish is español. Español. Do you remember the Spanish alphabet? Let's sing it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now it's time for recess. Recess in Spanish is recreo. Recreo. During recreo, sometimes we blow bubbles, burbujas, or we'll just play with her toys, or we'll take a walk. What do you do during recess? Now we're going to go to science class. Science in Spanish is ciencia. Ciencia. Today in science, we are going to learn the sounds that animals make. Can you help me teach Avery the different sounds that animals make?
El elefante dice y el león dice y el búho dice hu 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 hu. El oso dice cerdo dice.
Now we're in English class. English is inglés. Inglés. Do you know your English alphabet? Let's sing it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. This class is a very important class. It's Bible class. Bible in Spanish is Biblia. Can you say Biblia? Today we're going to learn about David and Goliath. David y Goliat.
Goliat era un gigante y vino a pelear contra el pueblo de Dios. Los soldados no querían pelear contra Goliat. Era demasiado grande y fuerte. Pero un niño llamado David no tenía miedo. Es hora del almuerzo. It's lunchtime. Avery está comiendo un poco de queso. Avery is eating a little bit of cheese. ¿Te gusta el queso? Do you like the cheese?
This is probably Avery's favorite class. It's music class. Music in Spanish is música. Música.
Uy, otra vez. Hay 7 días en la semana. Dime cómo se llaman. Dime cómo se llaman. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay.
This is gym class. Gym class in Spanish is educación física. Educación física. For today's class, we're going to practice walking. Because Avery's a baby and she doesn't know how to walk yet, we have to practice a lot.
Good job, Avery.
Okay, chicos, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any more videos. We'll see you again soon. Adios!